Claude AI usage limit reached. 3 ways to fix it fast. Hit your Claude AI usage limit and need to keep working? I'll show you 3 proven methods to get back to your tasks immediately. If this saves your workflow, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI productivity hacks. Claude AI has become an essential tool for writing, coding, research, and problem solving. But both the free and paid versions have usage limits that can interrupt your work at the worst possible times. When you hit your limit, you'll see a message saying you've reached your usage cap and need to wait before sending more messages. This can be incredibly frustrating when you're in the middle of an important project. Today, I'm showing you 3 legitimate ways to work around these limits and get back to being productive with Claude. First, understand what the usage limits actually are. Claude's free tier allows a certain number of messages within a 5-hour rolling window, typically around 40 to 50 messages, depending on message length and complexity. Claude Pro subscribers get significantly higher limits, around 5 times more messages, but even Pro users can hit their cap during heavy usage. The limits reset after the time window passes, not at a specific time of day. This means if you hit your limit at 2 p.m., you'll regain access gradually as your oldest messages age out of the 5-hour window. Second, wait for the automatic reset. The simplest solution is to wait for your usage limit to reset naturally. Claude will show you how much time remains before you can send messages again, usually displayed as hours and minutes. Use this downtime productively by working on other tasks, organizing your thoughts, or preparing your next prompts. If you've been using Claude heavily, taking a break and returning in a few hours will give you a fresh allocation of messages. Third, upgrade to Claude Pro for significantly higher limits. If you consistently hit the free tier limits, upgrading to Claude Pro is the most straightforward solution. Go to Claude.ai, click on your profile icon in the bottom left, select Upgrade to Claude Pro, and follow the payment process. Claude Pro costs $20 per month and gives you at least 5 times more usage, priority access during high traffic, and early access to new features. This is ideal for professionals, students, or anyone who relies on Claude daily for work or study. Fourth, use multiple browser sessions strategically. While you can't create multiple accounts with the same email, you can maximize your existing session by being more efficient with your prompts. Instead of sending many short messages, combine multiple questions or tasks into a single comprehensive prompt. This uses one message slot but accomplishes more. For example, instead of asking, "What is Python?" then, "How do I use variables?" then "Show me an example," combine it into one message asking, "Explain Python basics, including variables with code examples." Fifth, try Claude through alternative platforms that may have different limits. Claude is available through the Anthropic API, which has separate usage limits based on your API tier. If you're a developer, you can access Claude through the API with pay-as-you-go pricing rather than message limits. Additionally, some third-party platforms integrate Claude and may have their own quota systems. Check if your workflow tools, IDEs, or productivity apps offer Claude integration. Here's a pro tip to maximize your usage before hitting limits. Craft better, more detailed prompts that get comprehensive answers in fewer messages. Instead of having a back-and-forth conversation that eats up your message quota, provide all necessary context, requirements, and constraints in your initial prompt. Use prompt engineering techniques like specifying the format you want, giving examples, and being explicit about your needs. This prompt once, get everything approach can reduce a 10-message conversation into 2 or 3 messages. Also, keep track of your usage throughout the day. If you notice you're burning through messages quickly in the morning, pace yourself and save some quota for later when you might need it more urgently. Another trick is to draft your questions in a separate notepad first, refine them, then paste into Claude once they're perfectly formulated. This prevents wasted messages on poorly worded prompts that need clarification. So to recap, when you hit Claude's usage limit, your options are waiting for the automatic reset in a few hours, upgrading to Claude Pro for $20 monthly with 5 times more capacity, optimizing your prompts to use fewer messages, or accessing Claude through API or third-party integrations. The best long-term solution for heavy users is upgrading to Pro. If this tutorial helped you get past your Claude usage limits, Please like this video and subscribe for more AI tools and productivity tips. How often do you hit your Claude limits, and what do you mainly use Claude for? Drop your answers in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and keep maximizing your AI productivity.